In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a photo to ChatGPT using the iPhone app. This is perfect when you want feedback on an image, help reading text in a picture, or a quick explanation of what you're seeing. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence on the first try. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your recent conversations. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the message box where you normally type. Right next to it, look for the plus icon. Tap that plus icon to bring up your image options. When the menu appears, you'll see choices for photo library, sometimes labeled all photos, and camera. If your photo already exists in your gallery, choose photo library or all photos to browse your albums. If you want to capture something right now, select camera to take a new photo on the spot. Either option works. It just depends on whether you're selecting an existing image or snapping a fresh one. Go ahead and select or take your photo. As you choose, think about clarity and detail. Good lighting and a sharp image will help ChatGPT understand what you're sharing. If you're photographing a document or screen, try to fill the frame and keep your hand steady. Avoid including anything sensitive in the shot. If it's your first time using the camera or photo library with the app, your iPhone may ask for permission to access your camera or photos. That's expected and helps the feature work properly. After you've selected or taken the picture, look to the top right and tap the check mark to confirm. Depending on what you picked, the button may say Add or Use Photo. This tells the app that you're happy with the image and ready to attach it to your message. Now you'll see the photo sitting in the message box. If you want, you can add a short note to provide context, like what you want analyzed or the specific question you have about the image. Clear instructions often lead to better results. When you're ready, tap Send, which appears as the up arrow next to the message field. Your photo will upload, and the conversation will continue with ChatGPT reviewing the image and responding. If something doesn't appear to work, a few common causes are a weak internet connection, an outdated app version, or permissions not being granted. Usually, trying again on a stable connection resolves it quickly. And that's it. You've just sent a photo to ChatGPT on your iPhone, from opening the app to confirming and sending.